Wow, this hotel looks amazing. The restaurant is so cozy.
Yeah, I love the vibe here. It feels relaxing.
So, what should we eat today? I'm starving.
Hmm, let's try something different.
Good idea. Hey, look. They have sushi.
Sushi? I've never tried it before.
Me neither. Should we give it a shot?
Why not? Let's be a little adventurous.
Okay, sushi it is. I'm a bit nervous, but excited.
Don't worry, trying new food means making new memories.
True. And food is always better with a friend.
Exactly. Plus, if it tastes weird, we can laugh together.
Deal. Should we order the sushi platter?
Yes, and maybe some miso soup on the side.
Sounds perfect. I can't wait to see how it tastes.
Me too. Let's enjoy this little food adventure together.
Давайте прослухаємо наступний діалог. Wow, this McDonald's is so crowded today.
Yeah, looks like everyone had the same idea. Fast food.
So, what are you getting?
I'm thinking about a Big Mac meal.
Nice choice. I might get chicken nuggets.
Don't forget fries. McDonald's fries are the best.
Absolutely. Large fries for sure. Want to share?
Sure, let's go big.
And what about drinks?
I'll take a Coke. What about you? I'll take a Coke. What about you?
I'll get iced tea.
Are we ordering at the counter or using the machine?
Let's use the self-service screen. It's faster.
Hey, good idea. Okay, Big Mac meal, nuggets, large fries, Coke, iced tea, anything else?
Maybe a chocolate sundae for dessert?
Yes, now you're talking.
All right, order placed.
Can't wait, I'm starving.
Same. Fast food equals fast happiness.
Agreed, let's enjoy our cheat meal together.
English dialogue at the hotel reception. Good evening. Welcome to Sunrise Hotel. How can I help you?
Hi, I have a reservation for 2 nights.
Sure. May I have your name, please?
Yes, it's Emily Johnson.
Thank you. Let me check. Yes, I found your booking. One single room, right?
Yes, that's correct.
Could I see your passport or ID, please?
Oh, of course. Here you go.
Thank you. Would you like to pay now or at checkout?
I'll pay now. Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we do. You can insert your card here.
What time is breakfast?
Breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m. in the restaurant on the first floor.
Perfect. And is the Wi-Fi free?
Yes, it's complimentary. The password is written on your key card holder.
Great. Could I get an extra blanket, please?
Certainly. I'll have it sent to your room right away.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Here's your key card. Your room is on the 3rd floor, number 308. The elevator is to your right. Enjoy your stay.
Thanks. Have a nice evening.